Good day, everyone. I'm your teacher, Anne, and I'll be facilitating our activity for today. And it's called Sounds of English. And to perform this activity, I prepare a handout for our drill and the rubric. And first, I'll be grouping you into 5 members per team, and each member must be able to perform one consonant and one vowel drill. And I'll be giving you 5 to 10 minutes to practice. And you'll be evaluated according to the rubric that I'll be providing. And that includes consonant quality, vocal quality, syllabication, stress, intonation, confidence, achievement of purpose, overall performance, and that's from primary, proficient, developing, and beginning, highest to lowest. So here's your handout for the drill. You can practice for 5 to 10 minutes.
Vowel sounds. Oops, book, boot, bullet, footnote. Consonant sounds. Kid, calculator, confide, equal, chronicle.
Vowel sounds: egg, MC, elegance, engineer, energy. Consonant sound: chill, chat, choice, teacher, teacher, picture.
Vowel sounds: an, as, an, antlet, antique, absent. Consonant sounds: rage, reach, dare, paper, sabbath.
Vowel sound: inch, image, emotion, elect, elusive, ticklish, women, climate, business, circuit. Consonant sound: back, valve, birth, bounce, rubber, cabbage, reborn, grab, jive, disturb.
Vowel sounds: ego, eager, easy, even, shield, pick, giga, sequence, genius. Consonant sounds: pressure, conscience, cash, English.